Hi folks, for today I want to present you a new IDE I found in the Android's Play Store. Okay, it's a IDE to program directly in Android smartphones and tablets and others. Okay, and other computers, but with run Android OS. Okay, the name of this IDE is AIDE. Okay, like you see here, it's possible you install it. Okay, and for example, give you some tutorials to use. Okay, some like in another IDE, some features or IntelliSense to fix and so on. So it's amazing. Okay, this IDE have two versions: the Pro and the free. Okay, so I will demonstrate the way you must create a new project. It's very easy, very simple, and very clean. For example, imagine you click here, like you see. For example, create a new show project. For example, you see, and create new project. And for create these projects, it's possible you create Android app, a wearable app, mobile game, Java application, C and C++ application, native Android app, like you see here, phone app, okay, website for websites, new website with Bootstrap, okay, and also JavaScript application. Okay, so for today I present you to create a new application here and put, for example, in Portuguese, continue do .NET. Okay, .NET. So now I will and one, two, or the to apply app. So now I create this app, like you see here. Okay, and if I run, okay, build me a new app, my app continue to .NET 1. Okay, it's amazing, like you see here. It's to installing. Okay, finish, open, and hello world. And now the most the most incredible is this new app show you in your apps. For example, where is it? You see here, this is your app. So guys, subscribe my channel, give me your feedback, and in another tutorial I will show you IDE with JavaScript website and create in smartphone. So bye, see you soon.